Are you ready to make English fun, easy, and a part of your everyday life? If you said yes, you are already learning. My name is Teacher Mers from Philippines. I have 2 years experience for ESL journey with TEFL certificate. I'm here to help you to speak confidence, smile while you learn. English is not just about grammar books or a big words. It's about a real conversation. So, let's talk about you love music, travel, and even video games. Sounds good. Great. Because what exactly what we'll do. In our lessons, you speak more than ever thought possible. I help you to build sentences, ask questions, and understand fast English like a pro. Mistakes? We love them here. They are how we grow. I want you to feel more relaxed, confident, and excited to speak English. We laugh, learn, and play games as we go. So, you want to study English? You live it, speak it, and enjoy it. I always listen to your goals and create a lessons fit for you. And yes, you can do it. So, are you ready to start this exciting English adventure with me? Hit the button and let's start begin our journey together. See ya!